pretty girl, Maz.
Is it so funny?
I forgot that you can do that.
Maddie, who is that? Maddie, who is that? I can't tell where her eyes are. Who's that pretty girl?
I don't know what she's looking at.
I don't know either. Who is that? Oh! Who is that pretty girl? No, you're done.
I'm trying to get my jaw workout in today.
Who is that pretty girl? Man, I'm pretty cute.
Not like this, I'm not.